Welcome to WednesdAI. I'm Sean. This is Pixel Dreams, and these are your top stories from the world of AI this week. And so far this year, we've seen a lot of our science fiction fantasies come true with the introduction of these humanoid robots. Well, how would you like one in your house to cook your dinner and fold your laundry? Well, that's what they say is coming late this year as a company called Stardust introduces Astrobot S1. Now, check him out as he starts to cook dinner. All right, now he's pouring us a bottle of wine. That's all right. He's ironing the laundry, folding the clothes, and vacuuming up his own mess. Oh. All right, dance break. And they're saying you can have one of these in your house, available commercially at the end of this year. Get all the details on the WednesdAI page on the pixeldreams.com website right now. That robot we just saw was a Chinese innovation. Now, staying in China, we've got a new video generation service called Vidu here to challenge OpenAI's Sora, groundbreaking text-to-video capabilities that combine diffusion and transformer models. A lot of people online are saying that this is the new thing and the race is on. Which one are guys like me and you going to get to use first? Vidu or Sora? Here they come. Everybody's favorite tech giant Apple has opened up talks with OpenAI and Google to see who's going to help them put AI capabilities into iOS 18 on the next iPhone. Now, these are crucial talks, negotiations that are part of a broader AI strategy, which includes both partnerships with leading AI firms and the development of proprietary AI technologies inside of Apple. You can read all about this on the Engadget link that's linked. On WednesdAI, we like to talk about artificial intelligence, but we're also interested in any kind of intelligence that's not naturally occurring on Earth. So that leaves the question, what about intelligences that are naturally occurring elsewhere in the galaxy? It sounds like science fiction, but researchers working with NASA's James Webb Telescope have studied the atmosphere of the planet K2-18b, 8.6 times the mass of Earth, 120 light years away, and they think they've found signs of an ocean water underneath the atmosphere, which puts the odds of life on this planet at about 50-50. Let's hear it from the scientist who led this discovery.
K2-18b has captivated astronomers and exobiologists alike, not just for its placement in the habitable zone, but for its intriguing atmospheric composition, which may suggest the presence of life.
And why is that gas so important?
It's important because on Earth, it is produced only from life, mainly from microorganisms in the Earth's oceans, and it has been known to be a robust biomarker if detected in planetary environments, and it had been predicted to be so, and we had been looking for it, and that's why it's super important. But the prospect of that being there has enormous ramifications because the search for life elsewhere has been one of the longest standing quest of our species, of humankind. So if this is when it's going to come true finally, that's a momentous occasion, and we don't take it lightly.
Exciting developments. Stay tuned to WednesdAI to bring you more as the story develops. A new AI music video creator app called Noisee has just come out. It's in beta right now. They say they're releasing officially in May with a web app right now. You use it in Discord, but you take a link from YouTube, SoundCloud, or really what it's made for, AI generated music from services like Udio and Suno. You pop the link to your audio into Discord and it'll create a music video based on a single prompt. Here's AI Quest showing you a little bit about how the magic happens.
Now we just type in /imagine, make sure to hit the right one, paste that URL that we just copied in there. Then once you hit enter, you'll get this form to submit. And this first box is where we will put our keywords. This is where we can paste an image link for reference, or you can actually type in some reference styles. So let's just hit submit here. As you can see, it gives you all the progress percentages And there's our video done that actually took about 7 minutes.
And fresh out of the Pixel Dreams AI lab, we took the classic disco song, The Drive-Thru Coffee Line is Way Too Long, created in Udio, and then took that AI-generated song, gave it to Noisee to create a music video, and check this out.
I just came to sip coffee in my grip. I just came to sip. Sun's up high, but we're moving slow.
All right, the visuals are sort of hit and miss, but it's a lot of fun to use this app. We're getting a lot of really interesting results. If you make something, send it to us. Read more about it by clicking the link on the pixeldreams.com WednesdAI page right now. For all the AI filmmakers out there, there's some filmmaking competitions that are open right now. A Infinite TV, submit your AI-generated narrative short films and music videos for the world's first 24/7 channel for AI-generated streaming content. Curious Refuge has the AI film trailer competition. This is exciting with a $5,000 prize pool with a grand prize Apple Vision Pro, and LTX Studio, that awesome AI filmmaking tool we can't wait to get our hands on. They're having the From Vision to Reality pitch contest, and you could get up to $150,000 in production financing plus expenses. Submit the pitch to any of these using the links on the WednesdAI page. Pixeldreams.com is the place for that. Now it's time for the videos of the week, and we got some good ones this week. Check out Left of Me by Starhand, a music video about a girl, a Ferrari, and zombies.
I got a black hole, trying to flow on me. Gonna take a ride to the ends of me. Gotta take a look at the nub of me. See all the blood on what's left of me. Gonna take a ride on what's left of me. On what's left of me. Holes all over me, cruise controlling me. Holes inside of me, holes exposing me. I wanna be cool.
And now it's time for the next episode of everybody's favorite mid-20th century sitcom, Max the Robot. This is the episode where he goes to the supermarket.
I'm running a business here. For humans, by humans.
My mom says I need to buy the Ovaltine.
I don't care what your mom thinks.
Oh no, I can't control it. Not again. No.
Max the robot, seal and gleam. People living with his newfound kin like a dream.
One of my most favorite AI filmmaking studios out there, Mean Orange Cat, is back with another movie parody. Check out Catiator.
I woke up in captivity, forced to fight for my freedom. This happens to me a lot. At least this time I had help. I made sure the crowd was entertained. The spirit of my family was with me, as each victory brought us closer to Rome, closer to my revenge. Once I had everyone eating out of my hand, I sought justice.
And then from Argentina, this is amazing, from Robot Garden, The Abyss, a teaser trailer for a movie hybrid, live action, AI generated movie. I can't wait to see this. The trailer looks great.
We want you to keep it. The machine is perfectly safe. I mean, we use it all the time.
I know this night.
Well, it's addictive, sure.
All right, that's our show. Thanks for watching. If you're making anything cool with AI, we want to see it. Drop us a link on X, Instagram, write us a letter, homing pigeon, slip a note under our door. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Fire!